First thing first, you need to add a product that you want to integrate into your website. So click on the product catalog at the left side of the screen. If you doesn't add any product yet, then click on the create product button at the top right corner. Then you may start to add the product name, a short description of your product, and also an image to convince your customer more. At the pricing, you can choose it to be recurring if the product is using subscription base, where your client have to pay every certain time, like every month or every week. Or you can make it to be one-off if your customer only have to pay one time. For this video, I'm gonna use the recurring one, so people will have to pay like weekly or monthly to keep getting my product or services. You may then set the price of your product and customize the currency as you need. So you can use like US dollar, euro for Europe, Canadian dollar for Canada, yen for Japan, and so on. Then you may click on the billing period to choose the certain range of time for your customer to pay for the product or services. For example, if I choose on monthly, then Stripe will help me to automatically sending a billing or invoices to my customer every certain dates of the month. You may also customize more pricing option if you like, or adjust the amount of your unit quantity and hit the add product button. After you added the product, you want to open it by clicking on the product for 1 or 2 times. Then tap on the 3 horizontal dots besides the product option and tap on create a payment link. On this page, you may customize some of the options for your product, like adjusting the quantity for the customers, add another product if you want to sell it as a bundle, recommend another product for your customer, collect taxes, customer names, free trial, and so on. And after that, click on the create link button at the top right of the screen. There you go. You just created a payment link. So when your customer click on this link, it will redirect them to your Stripe payment gateway like this one. And to do that, you want to click on this paper icon to copy the link. So basically, you can start to connect or integrate it with your website to place it literally anywhere. For this video, I'm gonna integrate it to my Wix website, but you can also use your own website editor or website maker like WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, Hostinger website builder, Webflow, and so on. Easily, people will connect the Stripe link through the button, but if you don't know how to make a button and put your Stripe link on it on your website editor, then you can always go to YouTube and search the keyword as how to link a button in your website editor, like this one on WordPress, so you may change it to Hostinger, Webflow, or others. Right here on my Wix website editor, I want to link my Stripe subscription on this button at my homepage, so just click on the button itself and hit the link icon over here. Click to choose a link and select a web address. Then paste your Stripe link over here. Tap on Done button. So when I do preview my Wix website and then click on the book cleaning, it will straight up link it to my Stripe recurring payments or my Stripe payment gateway. My customer can insert their cards, bank information, or any payment method that you just set up before and click on subscribes. If you want to add more payment methods, I actually have the video for it. The other way around to integrate Stripe to your website is to embed the code, like embed HTML code. And to do that, here on the Stripe payment link, you want to click on Buy button right here. Then copy the HTML code over here. But before going to your website maker, you may scroll down for a bit and design the buy button to your liking by adjusting it in this section. You can change if you only want it to be just the button without any image by clicking on the button over here. Or you can also change the language, button text, and also the styles. And this will be the preview of what you just changed before and what your customer will see after you embed the Stripe HTML code into your website. So after you are done with customizing the button, you want to click on copy code over here. And you may start to adding new sections on your own website editor. As always, you can search on the YouTube about how to embed code or add the HTML code on your website if you don't know how to do it. Again, I am gonna do that in my Wix site. So click on the add button. And then on the search bar, search for HTML as the keyword. Then choose on embed code option. Click 2 times on HTML elements and enter the code that we just copied before on this section and tap on the apply button. There you go. After adjusting the size of the HTML for a bit, now we are good to go. We can then check it on by clicking on the preview right here. Click on subscribe or any customizing button that you just did before on your Stripe payment link of the buy button. And as you can see, it will also be directed to your Stripe payment gateway. And you may also add the payment link as the QR code by clicking on this button at your Stripe payment link. And then your customer may just scan the QR right away. You can download it or copy it. It will be very useful for you that will use the Stripe on your offline business. Or you may also put it on your website editor if it's more suitable for you. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.